Did you know that life is mundane? You could substitute the word boring for life. It is one long stretch of mundaneness or boringness. Now, your grandparents had a different word for mundane. They called it real life, which they saw as an opportunity, not as a boring life sentence. And as odd as it may seem, you will find some of your greatest blessings hidden from the natural mind. You see, the world is looking for the next big thing. They don't like boring, they don't like mundane. But the spiritual person sees each moment in their lives as an opportunity to spread the fame of God. In this video, I'm talking about why a mundane, boring life is not just expected, but it's also your opportunity. Hello everyone, Rick Thomas here. We're helping people live effective lives. This is our 31-day teen devotional series. This is teen devotion number 6, titled Life is Mundane. Let me ask a question. Could your present challenges, whatever they may be, could they be an opportunity for you to mature as you look at what your life is right now? Maybe it's boring, maybe it's mundane, maybe there's nothing to do, or school is just one long sequence that is unending. Maybe the Lord wants to teach you character qualities that will alter the course of your life through these mundane moments. You know, God's trials are some of the hardest lessons that you will ever learn, but if you pass His test, you'll be a better human being. You know, it's easy to misunderstand God. You remember what Isaiah said in 55, that His thoughts are not like our thoughts. If you want something different from what He's doing in you, you may live a disappointed life. Human wisdom will shield you from God's wisdom, and it will keep you from learning what you need to go through in these daily, mundane, boring moments that are right in front of you. You see the opportunity in everyday things, and as you see these opportunities, well, it will not only give you more maturity, but it will increase your spiritual insight. Even the Lord's disciples could not see the higher purposes of their leader, especially when He died on the cross. All they saw was a man from Nazareth who died on a cross like everyone else did. Well, in one sense, that could be a mundane moment, but you know better. The truth is, Christ turned the world upside down in that normal way that people died back in that day. Don't sell yourself short. Don't sell your life short. There are opportunities all around you, even in a seemingly mundane, dead-end job or a seemingly mundane, long school year. Your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to find Christ's functional purposes in all you do, rather than overlooking the moment by exiting as fast as possible. What is happening to you today, or what is happening in your current circumstances, they are not the things that hinder you. They should not be things that hinder you from doing fantastic things for the Lord. God is in all your details, no matter what they are. You may see your details as boring or non-essential, as not valuable. It's not true. If you find God in your situation, whatever you're doing or wherever you may go, you'll locate the prize. And when you locate the prize, which is God in the details, it will bring contentment to your life, and it will bring redemptive benefit to your sphere of influence. This is teen devotion number 6. God is the God of the mundane. We're talking about our boring lives. I have 2 questions for you. Number 1, what does it mean to locate Christ in your circumstances? What does it mean to locate Christ in the details of your life? And then number 2, how will finding Christ in your problems, in your context, in your situation, how will finding Him change you? Thank you so much for listening to Teen Devotion number 6, Life is Mundane. If you want to talk to us about it, we would love to talk to you. We have free community forums that are provided for you and anyone else by those who support this ministry. And so please jump on our free forums and chat with us, and that would be our pleasure to serve you that way. Also, if you're benefiting from these videos, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can grow organically and reach more people with the practical message of Jesus Christ. Thank you so much for watching the video.